If you're thinking about using Trading 212, watch this before you deposit any money, because this might save you from choosing the wrong platform. Trading 212 is an investing app that lets you buy stocks, ETFs, and other assets directly from your phone or computer. It's designed to be simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. This platform is mainly for beginners, people who want to start investing without dealing with complicated tools, confusing charts, or high fees. If you've never invested before, this is exactly the type of app you'd probably look for. So instead of overcomplicating things, let's break this down into what actually matters: the pros, the cons, and whether you should use it or not. Pros. 1. Very easy to use. The biggest advantage of Trading 212 is how simple it is. Everything is clean, everything is clear, and you don't feel overwhelmed when you open the app. You can literally sign up, deposit, and buy your first stock within minutes. For beginners, this matters a lot. 2. Fractional shares. You don't need a lot of money to start. Instead of buying a full stock, you can buy a small piece of it. So even if a stock is expensive, you can still invest with a small amount, which makes it much easier to get started. 3. Commission-free trading. There are no commissions when you buy or sell stocks. That means you're not losing money on fees every time you make a move, which is a big deal, especially when you're starting with a small balance. 4. Clean overall experience. Everything feels smooth, from placing trades to tracking your portfolio. There's no unnecessary complexity, and that's exactly what most beginners need. If you do want to try Trading 212, you can get a free share worth up to $100 when you sign up using the link in the description. We were able to get this deal, so it's actually a great opportunity to start investing without risking your own money up front. Cons. Now let's be real, this platform is not perfect. 1. Not for advanced traders. If you're experienced or planning to trade seriously, this platform will feel limited. The tools are basic, the charts are simple, and you won't get the same level of control you'd get on more advanced platforms. 2. Spreads can be slightly higher. Even though there are no commissions, the platform still makes money through spreads. That means you might pay slightly more when entering or exiting trades compared to professional platforms. For beginners, it's not a huge issue, but it's something to be aware of. 3. Limited features for strategy. If you want to use advanced strategies, indicators, or deep analysis tools, you won't find much here. This is not a trader-focused platform. It's built for simplicity, not complexity. 4. Can feel too simple over time. At the beginning, the simplicity is a huge advantage, but as you grow and learn more, you might feel like you've outgrown the platform, and that's when people usually move to something more advanced. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. The platform you choose matters, but not as much as actually starting. A lot of beginners get stuck comparing apps instead of just investing. Trading 212 removes that barrier because it's so simple. So the real question isn't, is this the best platform in the world? The real question is this good enough to get started? And the answer is yes. So, is Trading 212 worth it in 2026? If you're a beginner and you just want a simple, easy way to start investing, then yes, it's one of the best options available. It's beginner-friendly, requires very little money to start, and removes most of the confusion that stops people from investing. But if you're looking for advanced trading tools or professional-level features, this is probably not the platform for you. If you want to try it, I've left a link in the description. You can sign up there and get a free share worth up to $100. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to get started without taking much risk.